Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share how to calculate the number of digits in the product. So to find the number of digits in any number n, we can use this formula, that is number of digits d, which is equals to log n plus 1. So this is the formula. So first write the given question, 4 power 1111 into 5 power 2222. Now I am going to write this 4 as 2 square the whole power 111 into 5 power 222. Now we know the formula, right? A power m the whole power n, which is equals to, we can write this as a power mn. So we can write 2 power, now multiply 2 and this. So 222 into 5 power 222. Now both the bases are different and powers are same. So again we can use formula a power m into b power m. We can write ab the whole power m, right? So according to this formula we can multiply 2 and 5, that is 10 power 222. Now take log. So log 10 power 222. Now again we know that log m power n. So we can write n log m. So now this we can rewrite this as 222 log 10. So which is equals to log 10 value is 1. So 2, 2, 2, 2. Now by the formula the number of digits d, which is equals to log n plus 1. So the log n value 22222 plus 1. Add 1 with this number. So the correct answer is 2223. So this is the answer. Now let's take on one more example, 1000 power 1000. We have to find out number of digits in 1000 power 1000. So we know that 1000 we can rewrite 10 cube the whole power 1000, and that implies 10 power 3000. That is, we have to multiply 3 and 1000. Now take log. So log 10 power 3000. So this we can rewrite n log n, right? So 3000 log 10. So 3000 log 10 value is 1, and we know the formula d, which is equals to log n plus 1. So now write plus 1. So that implies 3001. So number of digits in 1000 power 1000 is 3001. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. If you think that, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.